namugambye genda osome omusajja gwolwa the person you are fighting.
Ate nga buno obubaka bw'obukulu nnyo njagala busindikira yaliko kyali wange bamuyita Gen.Salim Saleh abeera muno bangamba amataka gonna yagatwala Geno nze wali kyali wange mwana.
Nope does not understand me. Because if the NRM understood me, they would have used me. They would be campaigning for me that I'm not a land grabber, I'm not that, I'm not what I'm suspected to be. But all of them keep quiet. Then the other side is firing at me. Saleh land grabber, Saleh this one. Tell you one. Never Mishari Namugambi. Gendo Some. The person you are fighting, yeah, you don't know what it means because Namugeza Konze spend more time with the productive forces because they are the ones who are really producing goods, jobs, etc. It has gone through so many phases, and we are glad to say that this piece of land is the most deconflicted phase. I thought it was the end of the world, but I sent you some slides which I wanted to use. That book is the one which influenced my thinking of how Europe underdeveloped Africa. And I think it has gone off shelf. I don't know why it has just disappeared. That was 1978. When I was 18 years old. You know, when you read something, at that age, it keeps inside you wherever you go. So that was slide number 1. I recommend that the people who are below 40 read that book. As a result of that book, I had an urge to find out. Go ahead, the second slide. Now, that one was my own thinking. Land acquisition loan assistance. As soon as when I was lucky to join the executive as a junior minister in the Ministry of Finance, we developed 3 products. One was the RFSP, the circle under Dr. Suruma. The second product was SCF, Agriculture Credit Facility. The third one, 3 clients with a total portfolio of about 12,896,000. So I want commitments from for me, I'm not a politician, I ask direct. They told me Stanbic is here, ABSA, DFCU, please let us work together and we actualize this chapter loan. Industrial park has worked, yes, but outside the industrial park, I have a conflicted land there of about 5 square miles. That's where all the housing for the workers of the industrial park, that's where they would be staying. But it is conflicted. It belongs to a landlord, it is squatted on, and we don't know how to deconflict it. We have waited for the land fund, but the land fund is also working, it's working behind schedule. So I want you, the bankers, to study this chapter loan. Because the moment you give a mwananchi his title on a mile land, the next day he will start building a house, a permanent house. We have deconflicted about 824 acres behind there. That's where I'm staying now. I'm no longer interested in this park. The park is history. All of you are excited about the park, but for me, it's chapter closed. So we have transferred out of that paper which I wrote in 2009, just dreaming, we have been able to reshape that estate there into a nucleus farm, and then the Wananchi got their small titles. And if we could develop a financial product for that, this meeting of today, 17th of October, would be remembered. So CEO Forum, I want your bankers who are present here today to make a resolution on that. Then number two, yeah, that's when the president was there launching it, 2018, Heroes Day, because that place is where the heroes were killed. That's where we stay. Then the third, now, all this rugezgezi of praising Salim Saleh, really, this Kapeka industrial estate is not my own making alone. For me, I was at that scale of micro thinking. You can see that was the original design of Kapeka. Small scale, rural industrial center. That's why this place has two names. Liaoshen Industrial Park, originally known as Namunkekera Rural Industrial Center. Mine was a peasant thinking. And if you look carefully up there, you will see something called Nacho Limited. I tried to recruit Honorable Namayanja to be part of my thinking here. And I gave her, I think, like 100 acres for cultivation. And that Nacho is up there. But she deserted me and she went and started her own thing there. Now today, the way she's preaching about here, I don't know whether she wants to come back or the way she's talking about Namunkekera now, it seems now it has become. So we went on with like that. We had developed our small scale industries. Parpare. Now, 2015, I get a call from the boss. I don't know why you didn't show them the statue of the president. That's how we treat him ourselves with the soldiers. We give him maximum respect. Now, instead of taking you, because for me I wanted you to be hosted down there.